Okay, so now I'm ready to put the door back on. So put this, slide your door release back in. Make sure it goes where it's supposed to. And it should snap in. You actually see a little tab right in here, right in the middle here, where it snaps in. If you put it in properly, everything should fit right in. So, but the door's kind of all over the place. There you go. So you hear that? So back to the hardest part, which is to get that top rail lined up properly. Oh, this time it lined up real good. I guess last time because those little rivet clips weren't in properly. My door had a hard time of lining up. Now it's in properly. It just sits right in. I don't even have to do anything. Sweet. Very sweet. So now where those points were, you should be able to, if you could try to remember where those points are, you should be able to just push in those spots. So hear that? One just popped in. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. I think that's it. That's it. So it's nice and solid now. So all you do is just put the two screws back on. So screw right here, and a screw down in there, and that should be it. So got those two screws. So my screwdriver, and they look to be both the same. So the female on the other side is plastic, so take it easy. Just, basically I just do like 2 fingers. If you use your whole fist, your whole palm, your whole hand, you're gonna strip up those plastic female side real quick. Okay, that's in. And now I just need to take the cap and put it back in. So this one right here is, let's see, is it like this way? No, it's this way. So it's this way. The pointy end in the front, the rounded end towards the rear. There you go, here, there. This one up here, just like so. This one is some clips on the back. You see one up towards the front, one towards the bottom, and one towards the back. So three little clips. Man, it's hard to do this with holding the camera with one hand and trying to work with the other. Let me see if I could clamp. If I could. Oops. If I could. Oh shoot. Let's see if I could sit on a door frame here and use my legs to clamp down on the tripod. Okay, there it goes. So like so. I'm not sure if you need to put one end in first or not. I don't think you do need to do that. There's one end that goes in first or not. Let me do the front end in first. Push that end in first. I think that's it. You hear the snap, right? You hear it snapping? So that's it. So that's it. Yep. Okay, the door's back in. So now I don't have to rattle anymore. Let's see. Because before when I was hitting right here, you could hear that rattling. Yep, it's gone. Yep, There he goes. Problem solved. All right, thanks for watching.